you do not know what you're going to discover. And in some ways, when you write your hypothesis and say, we believe this will happen, and we believe this will happen, in some way, you're hoping that there will be some failure of some type so that something new will be discovered. Maybe not complete failure where your whole hypothesis is crummy, but something that you didn't expect to happen, because the unexpected thing is really what we live on, right? It's not, when you have this idea, well, if I cross these two larger apples, I'll get an even bigger apple. Okay, that's a nice paper. If I cross these two apples, I get an orange. Woo-hoo. Now you're talking about something really big, right? And it happens to us sometimes. We had an experiment where I crossed a diabetic animal with an Alzheimer's animal. And of course, the explanation is the cross would be much worse. It wasn't. It was better. In the early times, and we were like, I was about ready to kick my graduate student out of the lab, because obviously crossing two bad diseases and making this animal both diabetic and demented, how could it be better? Well, that's how we discovered that the APP was replacing the insulin in the animal, because the Alzheimer's animal made tons of APP, which didn't particularly help it until you got into a situation where they had diabetes. But this crossed animal didn't have to worry about the diabetes because it made so much of this other chemical. So there you go, a completely unexpected discovery that we then have turned into our new research.